Hello, so today we are doing this Christmas ornament with yarn and beads. So you're going to need yarn, crochet hook, beads, needle and a pair of scissors. So first we are going to take our yarn and chain 65. Six, 7, 8, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. And now in the second row we are going to do just single crochet for the entire row. So to make single crochet you're going to pull your crochet hook to the next chain, pull over, pull through, and again, and just repeat this step for the entire row. When you get to the end of the row, you're going to do single crochet and then you're going to chain 1. Now we are going to cut the yarn and make a knot in the end of the last chain like this, and then you're just going to cut these extra pieces of yarn. So first we are going to start from the bottom to the upper part of the Christmas tree. I'm going to take some yarn, some thread from the yarn, and I will pull this through the needle, or you can use any other thread that you like. As you can see, my yarn has 6 threads, so I'm going to pull 1 thread for beading. So now we are going to start from the bottom. First we are going to do this piece and move to the top. So first you're going to take your thread that you pulled from the yarn and pull through a needle. Then you're going to make double knot at the end. And now we are going to see what it will look like. So this will be our first row, second row, third row, and the top. Okay, so first we're going to take our needle and make this little bottom part of the tree like this and pull through. Then we are going to take a bead. These are 1 centimeter or 10 millimeter beads, and then we'll make this part, okay, like this, and like this, or even bigger, like this. Okay, we will do it like this, so we will pull here, add another bead, again, see, okay, so I made the first row too little, so I'm going to pull back. It's simple as this, and I will make it a little bit longer. Let me see, okay, like this, and I'm going to pull again through the first row. Add another bead, pull through the second row, add another bead, pull through, let me see, pull through the third row, like this, okay, another bead, okay, and then the last row, okay, and you see I left a little piece here free, so I'm going to do the same with this. Okay, and we will add one more at the top. And this is our tree. And now we will make a knot here, so it is tight and secure. One more. Okay, and now we will make the same length as the previous one and put it here. And then you just cut the extra yarn and you cut this yarn from the bottom of the tree and these little pieces. And this is it.